Hey, new vlog. It's your girl Trenity and I'm back with another video. I said I'm back with another video today. We're going jet skiing and it's water day, so yeah. So I got on my bathing suit and stuff. And yeah, I put my hair up. I don't think I like this right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but yeah. So we're just leaving the hotel room right now. I hope y'all enjoyed yesterday's vlog. I'm going to be posting every single day, so stay tuned. And it's Yardbird's birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. So yeah. Look at the chandelier, guys. So guys, we're on the beach. Why y'all walking over? Because we don't want to get sanded. I mean, it's gonna get in your feet either way. Ooh, look at the water.
She don't got no thing.
So pretty, y'all.
Y'all alright?
Yeah.
No crab.
Oh God, it's so hot out here.
Is the sand hot?
Yeah.
No. That was really good. But those
I need to
clocks-
ask them, can we rent chair? What can we rent? So we have to sit down.
Alright guys, I'll see y'all when we get closer to the water. Hey vlog, so right now we're just sitting down and chilling. So yeah, but here's the water. Ooh. So yeah, and it's very, very crowded. And we're just waiting till the sun get out to take some pics. So yeah.
Not right now.
No matter.
You wanna go?
Ready?
Ew. Oh! Try to scare me. She said, where we going?
It's cold. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, that's cold. That is freezing. Here's the water. Look at Janaya back there. Ooh. Y'all, I'm sinking. So we're vlogging. Yo, we vlogging. I think we're going, I don't know if we're getting on jet skis today, guys. But they're over there. But yeah, this is the beach. Record me getting in the water. Hey guys, subscribe to my channel at Thailand. Life with Tyler. Hold it right here, so. Oh, my bad. Oh, I gotta make one. So yeah, we in the water. Say hey to the vlog. Say hey to the vlog, Sadie. Say hey to the vlog. You having fun? It's giving life. Hey guys. It's giving, right? Right? This is the way people want to live. I love how she's taking videos on my phone. You just gotta stand right there.
I'm going back up.
Oh. I'm not even hungry no more. We're taking a picture, guys. I got you. You stay right here. Thank you. I'm holding you. Well, guys. See you on the vlog. Thumbnail. All right, bye guys. I'm about to have fun. So we're out to eat right now at this place called Yardbird, and I got a chicken sandwich, and I'm gonna show y'all our food when it comes out. So yeah, and we're going jet skiing tomorrow, guys. So yeah, here's the restaurant. And I'll talk to y'all guys later. Hey vlog, so here's my food. There's Janaya food. She hasn't got her food yet. But yeah, I'm gonna be. So right now we're at the hotel. I forgot to record, but we went to Fight Club, but we wasn't buying no shoes. So, and right now we're just eating ice cream and cake for Janaya to be there. But yeah, I actually like that icing. You do? I'm gonna take it.
You know you get ice cream with cake?
Yeah, it's cookies.
No, mix it up. Well, I'm gonna do that. My lip.
That's basically what you're doing.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is good.
so guys, I got this really cute purse. You wanna show me?
You can get up and show them.
Oh. It's like the shape. Move your big head out the way. It's like the shape of a cookie, and it got like the filling in the inside.
It's shape of Mickey Mouse.
Shut up. Basically, yeah. Of Mickey Mouse cookie. Yeah, that's all I got today. But I really don't care because I had got money way before my birthday, and Molly got me some stuff. But yeah,
That you lost already.
so how would I lose it and it dropped down the thing?
Hey vlog, so we're leaving the hotel right now and we're about to go on a strip and walk. So So yeah, and it's very crowded, y'all. Very crowded, so. Alright, but I'll see y'all guys whenever we go somewhere. Alright guys, so yes, we're back at the hotel and I couldn't get as much footage, so yeah, I got something on my face. But yeah, we're done here today. And tomorrow we got a lot planned. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Join the family and love you.